So let's look at some of the finance cost assumptions that we have to make for this application. So we've got this section here that says land and finance costs. So this is international version, and there's no difference in this version for the Australian version or the international version. This is exactly the same. So that is why both anyone from any part of the world have to pay attention to this. So in your land finance, you make your assumptions here, what your LVR for purchasing the land is going to be, or your interest rate is going to be when you purchase the land. The loan start date and loan paid out date is automatically calculated based on the assumptions that you made in your project schedule up here. So you don't have to worry about when your loan is paid out. It is assumed that when you settle on the land and then you start your construction, the mortgagee or the bank that's going to lend you money for construction is going to make sure that the first lender, whoever loaned you money for construction, is paid out. So the construction finance or the finance on the land will cease to exist as soon as your construction loan would kick in. So it automatically puts the date out there when your construction is supposed to start or the month before the construction is supposed to start. So land loan application costs and setup costs, you put in your percentage there. The land line and service fee, you put in your percentage there. Your construction loan, which is your, and the same thing happened on this side for construction loan. You've got LVR, interest rate, loan start date, and loan repaid date is automatically calculated. It's come out in black. That means there's a formula there, and then you set up your loan application costs or setup costs that need to go in there, so you can put in those assumptions over there when you make these land assumptions. So what each one of these mean, I'll quickly make it easier for everybody to understand. LVR stands for loan to value ratio, or LTV, which is loan to value ratio as well. Interest rate is interest rate. Loan start date, the day you settle on land, that is the transaction is complete and the landowner is actually paid out. Loan paid out under land finance stands for the land loan is paid out, that is, loan is refinanced by construction loan. The land loan application fee and the setup cost is actually percentage of the loan value that you are borrowing against to actually settle on the land. The land or line service fee per month, this is the service fee charged on the loan balance. Construction, again, all this is the same. Loan start date on construction assumed to be the same day the construction starts, and loan repaid date is assumed to be the last day of the project of when the project is actually complete. Construction loan application and setup fee is percentage of the loan value again. And this line service fee per month, DD stands for drawn down amount, and the service fee charged on the drawn down amount, not the total loan amount. So these are the assumptions that you have to make for your land finance and your construction finance, and you can find these out and put these values in here.